Everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this quick video, I will show you how to pay with PayPal in G2A website. So first you have to open up your G2A app or the website and then log in your account. After this, you have to select the game that you want to purchase. So you can click any of them. I'm going to select this one. And once you select that game, it will list all the details of regarding that game and the payment and the amount you have to pay to buy that game. So under the add to cart button you will see PayPal buy now, so you have to click on that. And once you do that, this will open up PayPal page where you have to enter your PayPal credentials such as your email or mobile number, password, and then click on this login button. Once you do that, it will logged in your PayPal account, and then you can make the payment for that game. So that is how you can pay with PayPal on G2. If this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.